Ladies and gentlemen, it's part 3. We fit the gear selector back, everything's beautiful and perfect. I'll show you. So we put all the bolts back, 6 bolts, we put the cable back and the little electric plug. I think, yeah, the breather pipe, we didn't put the breather pipe back. Is this one? Let's go to that sensor. That's the breather pipe here. That's it. That's a breather pipe. Gearbox breather pipe. So we put that one back. If you look at it, everything nice and easy. This is now neutral because we know the other cables can back. As you know, the part 2, when you push it down, this one was stuck here, second gear first, a little bit up, changing 3, 4, more up, reverse and 5th gear. So everything perfect now. We tighten the bolts, and that's what more or less we use. Just a little 10 mil under the engine mounting because it was a little bit difficult to get to the engine mounting to one bolt underneath of there. I don't know if you can see or not. Yeah, there's that one. But it wasn't that difficult anyway. The only thing I want to show you, it doesn't matter how big or small things are, or even human. Look at this. This is all this little bearings. Hardly you can see them. But the massive van stopped working just because of these tiny things. So it works with human too, you know, it doesn't matter how big or small we are. Look at this. Small sensor in your brain, small short circuit can destroy all the body. Here we go, look at that. That's so interesting. Look at the nature. Here we go. It's a massive van stop because of that. So we put everything back. Here we go. First gear, second gear, third, fourth, reverse, fifth. So, even so nice and smooth. That's a neutral that I show you in the under the bonnet. See how it's shifting forward and backwards. It's lovely, everything perfect. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, you can subscribe or not. Thank you, bye bye.